adaptability quotient was something that was actually was overpowering the emotional or the intelligence quotient that we generally used to have, EQ plus IQ, and then you have the human intelligence, and then you complete the equation by having that adaptability quotient, and then your AI landscape becomes very useful. Now, uh, think about us as being procurement people. How would or how should we buy technology? What is the rationale behind buying a tool? See, before we actually look at functionality, the first decision we take is buying that thing, buying that piece. And that is the first responsibility, is company spending in the right direction? What's the ROI? Something which is so new, unique, and very untested on the ROI. The first risk is you're buying it as the procurement person. Before I actually become a user of that technology, I'm first the procurement representative of the organization. Now, when it comes to adaptability, I need to know my culture before I even take that decision. So the rationale behind how good the company is, how many use cases they could demonstrate, how relevant it is to my business, I need to also understand the culture. The adaptability intent would be there because I'm part of the organization. So I represent that workforce who might have resistance, which generally happens with technology. So should we just buy a software or a piece of technology? Or should we first fix or understand the culture? So that adaptability is only when you are very honest about your culture. So one thing that is very exciting for me is that we have got, yes, a little bit of, not a little bit of importance, but a lot of importance to the fact that management and leadership would rely on procurement to take the right decisions. But with that, procurement can also challenge a few things about the culture of the organization. So yes, you want me to take a decision about technology and this, but do you have that adaptability in those layers that I need, that they should step up rather than fear technology, embrace it with a positive outlook so that it integrates well with the remaining side of the culture, which is output and outcome oriented. So the one side of, or one piece of advice here that we all take from our mentors who are better placed on buying technology would be, don't just buy transformation by buying software. Fix your culture, because that's where the adaptability lies.